Okay, hello everyone. Okay, we are from group 1 and let me introduce ourselves. Okay, now I'm first. I'm Haifa Sabila as speaker 1 and speaker 2 is Danti Hilwa and speaker 3 is Fania Sawalia and the last speaker 4 is Setiawati Kartika. Okay, now I want to tell you about AI powered language learning apps. Yeah, and AI means artificial intelligence. It's kind of a technology that allows computer or apps to think and learn. Yeah, like human. And when used in language learning, AI makes apps smarter and more interactive, yeah, and more personal for each learner, yeah, like that. So, what does that mean? Traditional apps usually give the same exercise to all user, yeah, and but AI power apps are different. They study how we learn and our mistake speed and strength, and then adjust the material. For example, if you can in vocabulary, yeah, but if you strong and in vocabulary but in grammar you are not a good, yeah, like that. If you strong in and the app will give you more grammar practice, yeah, I like that because in grammar you are not good, yeah, and it's almost like having a private tutor in your pocket, yeah, like that. And I have three apps for example. The first one, the name apps is Duolingo. Yeah, Duolingo. Duolingo is famous, and then Duolingo is very popular in student, yeah, like that, and very popular app with game like such as point and levels, and yeah, there are points and then levels. And Duolingo helps track your progress, like and then if you forget a word, it makes you practice again. So in Duolingo you can learn and then you can practice, yeah, like that. And the second apps is the name is Elsa Speak, yeah. Elsa Speak, a very popular too, and these apps focus on pronunciation, yeah, pronunciation. And these apps use AI Speak, yeah, to listen your voice because these apps focus on pronunciation. And then in Elsa Speak you give a feedback, yeah. In Elsa Speak you can practice and you can listen voice for pronunciation more good, and then you can give a feedback, yeah, like that. And the last apps is Grammarly, yeah. Grammarly is a write assistant that check grammar, spelling, and style. So in Grammarly, you can learn and learn about grammar, yeah, of course, and you can check the grammar more, yeah, and explain mistake and give better suggestion, not just right and wrong, but give argument if you wrong the grammar, yeah, like that. And for example, we can see that AI power apps make learning more effective, personal, and fun from 3 AI, I say. And they are available anytime, anywhere, of course, and like a personal teacher. You can yeah, like that. And of course they are not perfect, some need internet or payment. So AI power apps help you learn faster, of course easier, and fun, because the apps have a game, yeah, like that. So like that. Now I want to next from I will back to so next is Danti Helwa, speaker 2.
Okay, thank you Haifa. And now let me introduce myself first. My name is Danti Wanuronia. Now I will continue by explaining how AI-powered apps support the 4 basic skills in language learning, which are listening, speaking, reading, and writing. So let me start with listening. Listening is one of the most important skills because it helps us understand native speakers. AI-powered apps make listening practice more interesting and more effective. For example, Duolingo. Duolingo provides short listening exercise where you hear a sentence and then type it out. The app uses AI to adjust the speed of the voice or repeat difficult words. Another example is Elsa, where you can listen to model pronunciation and then compare them to your own, and AI can detect whether you understand the sounds or correctly or not. And next is speaking. Speaking is often the hardest skills for learners because it requires confidence and real-time practice. With AI apps, speaking practice becomes more accessible. Elsa Speak is a great example. It uses speech recognition to listen to your voice and then tells you exactly which sounds you mispronounce. It even gives you a score for fluency and clarity. Duolingo also has speaking challenge, where you repeat sentence and then the app checks if you pronounce them correctly. These features helps learners practice speaking without feeling embarrassed because they can practice alone with the app. And then the third skill is reading. Reading practice in AI-powered apps is very interactive. For instance, Duolingo offers short stories or dialogues, and if there is a difficult word, you can click on it, and the translation will appear instantly. Then the app saves those difficult words and reviews them with you later. And then the last fourth skill is writing. Writing is supported by apps like Grammarly. Grammarly checks your grammar and spelling as you write, but it also explains the rules behind the mistakes. This makes it easier for learners to improve. Some apps even give writing prompts. For example, like asking you to write a short paragraph about your daily life. and then the AI analyze your grammar and vocabulary. And why is this important? Because in the past it was difficult to practice all 4 skills equally. Maybe you only practice reading in textbooks or listening in class, but not also speaking. With AI apps, all 4 skills are covered. You can practice listening on your way to school, or speaking before bed, and reading in the afternoon, and writing whenever you need to send an email. The apps make language learning part of your daily routine. And the last is, in conclusion, AI-powered apps support the 4 skills in a balanced way. They allow learners to practice anytime, anywhere, and they provide feedback that helps learners improve quickly. Now, let's move to the next speakers who will explain how AI apps help us with vocabulary and grammar practice. Thank you.
How apps help with vocabulary and grammar practice. Thank you, hello, my name is Rania Shawalia, and now I will focus on vocabulary and grammar, which are the foundation of any language. So, because without enough vocabulary, we cannot communicate, and without grammar, our sentences will not make sense. So let's begin with vocabulary. AI-powered apps use smart techniques to help learners remember new words. One of these techniques is called spaced repetition. This means that the app shows you new words again and again at the right time before you forget them. So, for example, Duolingo repeats words you often get wrong, so you eventually memorize them. Another example is Memrise. This app uses a short video of real native speaker saying the words, and AI selects the best videos for your learning level. It keeps track of the words you know well and the ones you need to review more often. Now let's move to grammar. Many learners find grammar boring or confusing when it is taught in a traditional way. But AI apps make grammar more interactive and more practical. Grammarly, for instance, does not just correct your mistakes, it explains why the mistake is wrong and gives you alternative sentences. Also, Duolingo introduces grammar step by step. It doesn't give long explanation, but instead shows you examples in sentences and gives you practice right away. For example, if you write she go to school, Grammarly will correct it to she goes to school and explain the rule about subject-verb agreement. And another benefit is instant feedback, because sometimes with teacher you have to wait until your homework is checked, right? And if you make the same mistake many times, the app notices this and gives you extra exercises to fix the problem. This kind of personalized learning is very effective because it focuses on your weakness. Vocabulary and grammar practice with AI apps is also fun. Instead of memorizing long word lists or reading boring grammar books, you can play games, do quizzes, and even compete with friends. So this keeps learners motivated and makes learning less stressful. So to conclude, AI-powered apps are powerful tools and building vocabulary and grammar. They use repetition examples and instant feedback to help learners remember words and understand the rules. So they make the learning process more personal, more effective, and more enjoyable. So next will be presented by my friend.
Okay, thank you, Fania. Now I will continue the material. My name is Dewati Kartika Dewi. To make our presentation more concrete, now I will demonstrate one app so you can see how it works in real life. For this demonstration, I will use Duolingo, one of the most popular AI-powered language learning apps. When you first open Duolingo, it asks you about your goals. For example, do you want to learn to travel, for school, or for work? Then it gives you a placement test to know your current level. This is where AI start working because the app adapts to your level. If you are a beginner, it starts with simple word and sentence. If you are more advanced, it skips the basic and gives you harder lesson. Next, let's look at the lesson activity. A typical lesson is Duolingo is short. maybe 5 to 10 minutes, but it's very interactive. You may see exercise like matching words with picture, listening to a sentence, and typing what you heard, translating sentence or repeating sentence into the microphone. This activity covers vocabulary, grammar, listening, and speaking all at once. Another interesting feature is gamification. Duolingo makes learning feel like playing a game. Every time you finish a lesson, you earn points. You can also unlock level and earn badge. There is even a daily streak system, which is encourage you to practice every day without breaking the chain. Some learners say this is one of the main reasons they stay motivated. Duolingo also provides instant feedback. For example, if you make a mistake, the app immediately shows the correct answer and gives you another chance to practice. It doesn't just mark your answer as wrong, it teaches you the right way. AI is always analyzing your performance in the background, so it knows which area you need to review more often. Finally, Duolingo has a progress tracking system. You can see how many words you have learned, which skill you have improved, and what your overall fluency level is. This helps a learner feel proud of their progress and stay motivated to continue learning. Of course, no app is perfect. Some features in Duolingo require payment, and for advanced learners, the content might be too simple. But overall, Duolingo is a great example of how AI can make language learning fun, effective, and accessible to everyone. So, as you can see from this demonstration, AI-powered apps like Duolingo provide an interactive, personalized, and enjoyable way to learn language. They bring together technology and education to create a learning experience that feel both effective and fun. In conclusion, from our presentation, we can see the AI-powered language learning apps have transformed the way people study language. Unlike traditional tools, these apps use artificial intelligence to personalize the lesson, give instant feedback, and adapt to each learner's strengths and weaknesses. They support all four language skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing, while also making vocabulary and grammar practice more engaging through repetition, explanation, and gamification. Elsa speaks Grammarly so that AI can act like a personal tutor in our daily life, always available, interactive, and motivating. This app makes Duolingo language learning more accessible, flexible, and enjoyable for learners around the world. In short, AI-powered apps combine technology and education to make learning faster, easier, and more personalized. Thank you for your attention. We are happy to answer any question. And that's all from first group. Thank you. Bye-bye.